You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the scientific name. This is a polysaccharide or glycoprotein covering on a cell surface. A word from biology. Two different correct pronunciations are used in English. Glycocalyx or glycocalyx. Yes, so you can say it both ways. You can pronounce it two different ways. Glyco, it's always glyco. Glycocalyx or glycocalyx. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.